sounds of Pee cooking in the kitchen. Today, everyone, we're making pickles. You see, the pickle is big and fat and juicy and tastes yum 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 yum. So, but the pickle has to get cut with a butter knife. So that's what we're gonna do. We're making pickles, and then when you're done yet, we take a bigger sword and chop it. There we go. Hey, sure, can I have M&Ms? No, you can't have M&Ms. Sorry, this is only good food at restaurant. I want M&Ms though. No, we're not having M&Ms. We're going to have a knife. There we go. And then, I can just put this in the sink. Sink. Put it in the sink, buddy. Okay, now I'm gonna go serve the pickle. So, I'll just, okay. We'll just take one bowl, everybody. One bowl. There we go. Let's go serve it to the guy you need to serve to. Hey, mister, I got your food. I want my food. Okay, here's your food. What is it? Yummy pickles. Okay, now we have to go look at it. Now we have to go to the cupboard. Let's see what's in the cupboard, everybody. Oh my god, what is this? We could use this. It would be helpful. Now we got this. We got this. We got an emoji to cheer up the customer. There we go. Cheer up our customer. He had a very bad day. The pickle made him happy. And then we give him a cupcake to yummy on. Here's your cupcake, mister. Eat it. And then you pick up your sword. You close this. There we go. And then put the balls back in the cupboard. And then I have no M&Ms in this kitchen, so we're gonna cook them by getting this guy over here. Then he's already dead, so it's not gonna be too hard to cut him up. Now we have M&Ms, and we're gonna take it to our fat customer. Yeah, here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. There we go. Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching part 2 of Chef Doodoo with my friend Jacob. See you. Bye.